They booked and never showed because nobody rang to confirm. This is your booking diary. Every appointment is one row. Cream cells are where you type. The pale gray ones fill themselves in. A new customer goes into the book first, an ID, a name, a phone number. Visits, lifetime spend and the VIP tier are computed columns. Leave them to the file. Now book her in, pick the date, the time, then the customer ID. Pick the ID and the name appears by itself. Nothing to retype. Pick the service and the length and price come straight from your price list. Every morning, open this before you unlock the door. The top line tells you who is next today, at what time, for what service. Below it sits today and the days coming up, sorted by the hour. A red row is an appointment today that nobody has confirmed. Ring those before the hour comes round. On the right, customers who have gone quiet with their phone numbers, and the staff ranking by revenue. To look at one slice of the diary, use the Filter tab. Pick hair coloring. The numbers on top, the list below and the comment all move together. The last tab shows a whole year from above, revenue per service across 12 months. With the trend chart and the staff ranking for exactly that year. You log the bookings and keep the status current. The file takes care of the rest. Scan the code to see the full template on SmartITSoft.com.